mold and mildew in the bathroom. And I want to start over here with your shower doors because I get lots of questions on that. I've got a really easy tip for you today using a dryer fabric softener sheet. Now, it can be a used one or a new one. It doesn't matter. What we're going to do is put just a little water on it. Not a lot. You just want to put a little on because you want it to stay abrasive. Now, you're going to rub it on that soap scum and you're just going to start working it in like this. Rubbing up and down, and then if it's bad, let it sit for a little while to soften up that soap scum. When you're done, go back in, rub it again, rinse the door, and then simply buff it with a microfiber cloth, and you're done. Does a great job every time. Now let's talk about those plastic shower curtains that get mold and mildew on them, especially on the bottoms. Easy way to clean those is to spray them with undiluted hydrogen peroxide. You're going to put it on any place that has soap scum, mold, mildew, anything you want to remove. Let it sit 30 minutes or so, then put it in the washing machine with your regular detergent and a towel to create some abrasion. If you have a fabric shower curtain like this one, all you're going to do is take a spray bottle, fill it up half water, half hydrogen peroxide, spray those dirty, scummy areas, put it in your washing machine with your favorite detergent, and it will clean it up beautifully. Now, when you're done with your curtains, make sure you hang them up immediately and close them so that they drip down into the tub if there's more water on them. It does a good job for you, and it's so easy. Now, if you have a lot of mold and mildew on the caulking, on the grout, places like that, what you can do is take some of this cotton. Now, this is cotton coil, and it's used in a beauty shop for permanents and colors, but you can buy it even on Amazon. Very cheap. Beauty supplies have it. Saturate it with chlorine bleach. So make sure with this you're wearing gloves when you do it, because remember, chlorine bleach will bleach even with the fumes, and it is a hazardous chemical, but it's great for killing mold and mildew. Put it on, leave it on for a few hours or even overnight. Take it off the next day, scrub it down, rinse it, and you're done. It does a really good job. Another cleaner you can use if you don't have a lot of mold and mildew, use some vodka, undiluted vodka. It's for so much more than just drinking. Fill your bottle up, spray it on, let it sit until the person comes along and showers next, and that will rinse it off. Now, if you have a little bit left on there, spray it again and just scrub it with a soft brush and it'll take care of it. Now, my natural cleaner that I use all the time at home and I love is 2 cups of warm water and a couple of teaspoons of tea tree oil. Tea tree oil is an all-natural antimicrobial antibacterial, and it will clean that up beautifully for you, and it's safe and natural. You'll spray it on, you'll let it soak. When you go back, you can give it a quick scrub and you're done. And if you have just a little tiny bit of mold and mildew, remember your bleach pen that's used for laundry? It works great for that. So now if you're looking for a printable copy of all this, guys, go to queenofclean.com. Check me out at Real Queen of Clean on Facebook and Instagram. And thanks for talking dirty with the Queen of Clean.